guys, welcome to Tomtop.com. This is Catherine here to bring you guys our new product. Today I will show you guys one amazing DIY female body figure. Yep, here it is. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, we have one body figure. The head is not included, and 5 pair of spare hands, the neck connector, and the bikini, which I have already put it on. And one user menu. And one bracket. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. A female body with long legs. What a perfect shape. You can use your imagination to create any different styles and a cool pose you want. Okay, I know. It looks a little bit weird, I know. We need put on the hat. We also have different head scope to suit different body. Okay, let's check this out. Different skin color suits for different body. Look at this beautiful long hair. Okay, let's try it on. It's not correct one. Try this. Looks better. Okay, this one I think is suits the best. And the last one, this is not bad. I like this one. Alright, it is a useful tool for learning to draw the human figure. Can be used as a model for proportion and form, learning shading and highlighting. You can change the hand as you like, and then it will change the style. can buy yourself one or just give it to your friends who loves model collection. It will be perfect for a gift or a decoration. 52% off now. Only $48. You don't want to miss it.